guys, this is Pickup Man Junk Removal. I wanted to ask you guys a question. Is there a job that's too far for you? I took this job for $700 a load. It was an hour and 30 minutes out, and it took me about 25 minutes to do the job. Would you say that this is worth it? I think the best part about this job is I actually got second load for a total of $1,400 for something that took me 6 hours total, which, I mean, you figure a full day for a junk removal company is gonna be like 6 to 8 hours, sometimes 4. But yeah, 6 hours and $1,400. It's all cardboard, so it's not gonna cost much to dump it. Also, they had an elevator, so that made it even easier. All I had to do is load the stuff on the elevator, on the cart, roll it out, and drop it off. Anyway, what do you guys think? What's your max that you're willing to go out, even if you charge more? Do you guys just cut it off at a certain mile marker, or do you charge more and you'll go out pretty much anywhere? If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. It really helps me out. Leave your answers in the comments.